Hey guys, so today I'm going to be attempting to make a chocolate crepe cake, and in between the layers will be whipped cream and it will be surrounded by a chocolate ganache. So this might be a long and interesting day, so get cozy in your seat, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's just get started. So as you guys saw, it literally fell all over the floor. So first I'm going to be melting my butter. We're also going to be heating up our milk. While our milk is heating up, let's mix together our flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. Stir it up. Now let's add our eggs and mix. I kind of think that the hardest part of this would just be flipping the crepes. I'm not even good at flipping pancakes to start with, but you know. Now we're going to alternate adding our butter and our warm milk. You might need to fold it at first because it might be too thick for the mixer. Butter, milk, butter, milk, butter, milk. Now it's time for the last of our milk. I think that this mixer is done for now. It's gonna work out. So guys, you can see it's nice and thin.
Hi Charlotte, what are you doing?
I'm making a crepe cake in a YouTube video. We're in a whole new world. No, I'm just kidding. You literally just moved 2 feet. Okay, so let's grease our pan now. I'm gonna turn my stove on and just let that heat up just for a couple seconds. So now I'm just gonna get my 1/4 of a cup. Not trying to look professional. Okay, quick, swirl it around. Guys, I think I did it. It's not pretty, but I think we got a crepe. Perfect. Okay, I have finished all the crepes, and like each time I did it, I got better and better. So now I'm gonna make the whipped cream. So for the whipped cream, I never measured it out. It's just heavy. Oops, not opened. So I don't really measure it out. It's just heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Now time to whip. Alright, this looks good. Okay, now it's time to assemble. Crepe number 1, whipped cream, and spread it out. Alright, last crepe. Okay, to clean it up, I'm putting this bowl on top, and I'm just gonna kinda push this down. So I kinda clean it up. It's kinda jiggly. But now I'm just going to put this in the fridge, and then I'm gonna go on with that. So as you guys saw, it literally fell all over the floor, but we're good. It looks good. So now, yeah, it's gonna go in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna go to the ganache. Okay, so for the ganache, I'm getting a chocolate bar with some butter. So to make the hot cream, I'm gonna add heavy cream and sugar. Now time to pour the hot cream over the butter and chocolate. Now time to whisk. Okay, looks good. It should be way much thicker, but it's not. I don't know why, but now I'm just gonna go pour it over the cake. Well, so I'm just gonna sift some powdered sugar on top.